Okay, I just want y'all to see the routine of me getting her in because, again, she does not, like come to me. Come on, Wednesday. I got to step around. Come on. Oh, I got to come this way. See? There we go. Good girl. And lately, when I let her outside, I keep the door closed because she runs and she goes straight underneath the bed. So that way I can pet her to let her know it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. You don't have to run and hide when you get in. Because she'll go run straight underneath the bed, So I'm trying to let her know, like, it's okay. But this is Wednesday, and we're about to let him out. I do them one at a time because both, they go separate ways. So, but bye. Love from Wednesdays.